The City Council also saw a presentation proposing a construction manager at risk, or CMAR, approach to the city's multi-million-dollar wastewater treatment plant project. The CMAR method would hire a contractor in the design and building process, and they would later oversee that project's construction. According to the presentation, in spite of a higher initial cost when compared to the traditional design, build, bid method, the CMAR has the potential to reduce change orders, project delays, and overall construction expenses.
Engineers are very smart, but contractors actually build the work, so they have a lot of expertise in that area of what might work better, especially when you've got this project that's going to have to be built around a functioning sewer plant. So I think it's probably not a bad idea to go that way.
The total cost of the overhaul of Sioux's wastewater treatment plant is $465 million. The City Council will bring this item back next week to vote and approve the plan. Matt?